Hello everyone, welcome to Automate 2026 in Chicago. I'm Ben from Inovance, responsible for the advancing market. We sincerely welcome all exhibitors and visitors come to our booth at 3844 to connect, exchange ideas and the cooperative opportunities. Okay, let's go inside. Inovance is a global leading automation company. We born in China, and now the footprint is covering all over the world. With the experience in intelligent manufacturing and deep in vertical industry, we are creating values for North American customers, both in traditional and emerging industries. Let's take inside. Today, we are bringing the newest generation of our AC drive, motion control, HMI, and I/Os, PLCs, and newest cobots. All the products fully fit the North American and the European standard.
Hello everyone, welcome to Cobot Zone. Inovance Cobot series covers 4 to 18 categories. Inovance cobots may used in industrial applications such as handling, palletizing, painting, featuring high precision and safety. The absolute accuracy is 8 times higher than traditional cobots. The enabled down drop distance is only 1/10 of traditional cobots. In fact, Inovance have 18 years of industrial robot history, covers 4 range of SCARA and 6-axis robots, among which the market share of SCARA robots in China has reached 30%.
Hi, welcome to the Motion Control Zone. I'm Eddie, PLC Product Manager. What you see here is not a lineup of products, but a unified ecosystem built around seamless connectivity, motion intelligence, and global support. AI-enhanced compact-sized PLC easy series, facilitating flexible system expansion, GL20 and GS20 distributed I/O system, precision with all safety SV600 and 80 server drive, high dynamic motor MSG series, all integrated software platform IFA with our safety system. All these strengths make up a great start for us to expand the US operation and serve clients across the world.
Let me introduce our flagship AC drive product. M613 is our 3rd generation product, engineered with 23 years experience. Compared to the older generation, M613 is smaller, wider temperature region, and excellent EMC performance. MD18 is our professional multi-drive.
Hello everyone, my name is Jesse. I'm the service manager here in the USA. And in the world of automation, we understand the uptime is very crucial. That is why Inovance is deeply committed in enhancing our infrastructure throughout Americas. We offer a comprehensive physical support network, connecting our global expertise and essential resources right at your doorsteps. This strong physical presence features a dedicated spare part warehouse located here along in Texas, Dallas, along with a fully equipped repair center near Chicago and Detroit. Our solid infrastructure is supported by our certified local engineer team and a wide-ranging network of service partners with a physical presence in your time zone and ready to assist you.
Hi there, this is Yolanda from Inovance. I am the US Country Manager. Inovance always pushes limits. This is not only a slogan, this is how we work. Welcome to our booth 3844. Let me show you more about Inovance stories.